So let me go ahead and pull these out and see what they look like. This is what they're gonna look like when I pull them out of the package. They're all individually wrapped in plastic. So now I'm taking the plastic off, and ooh, these are really fancy looking. So this is what the front of it looks like right here. Now there is going to be 5 LED beads for warm light inside each one of these. So you can see right here, this is going to be your solar panel. Sorry, you're getting a little bit of a glare, but you can see there, it has kind of like a diamond look to it. So it's gonna give a really beautiful reflection. And then here at the bottom, it's definitely like a diamond, because you can see right here at the bottom, but it has all these like petals right here. So then I think it's going to give like a reflection of like a flower. So this is actually just the base of it right here. Now these are weatherproof. They're good for in the rain, you know, that kind of thing. And they are to uphold in really harsh weather conditions. So here is one piece of it. And let's see, what else do we have in here? So we have more of these. So there's like a whole layer of these on the top. So in the bottom, we have this little packet right here that has the sticks in it. And then we actually have another section with the sticks in it. So let me go ahead and pull one of these out of here, because I'm just going to do a demo on one of them right now. And then hopefully what I'm planning on doing is at the end of this video, or maybe sometime during the video, I'll be able to pop some pictures of the lights all lit up in my backyard. So you have your stake right here. So I believe, yes, you just pull it out like this. You are going to just stick this in the one end and just kind of twist it down. So this is very pointy. This is the end that's going to go into the ground. If you're not using your stakes right here, definitely pull this out, push it on the inside, so that way nobody gets injured. But for right now, we're going to leave it on the outward position. So the stake will be going into the ground. Okay, then you have your diamond light right here that's going to give a reflection of some flowers underneath. Now, how do I turn this on? Because I know you usually have to turn them on. So I guess I am going to have to look at my instructions. How to assemble. Push the crystal lamp roof upwards. So I'm going to, oh, there you go. This is all you got to do. You pull it out just like this. So very cool. And then the odds are you're just going to do a little twist. Yep, you just do a little twist there. And then it looks like right here, you can see it has an on and off button. So I'm just going to switch that over to the on position. And then you're just going to put it back together like so. You're going to just kind of like seal it like that. And then you're just going to pop it back into the base itself. Is that all you got to do, I think? Yeah, that's all you got to do there. Oh, that's pretty cool. That actually went in really nice. These actually look really, really nice. Even though they're made of a very heavy-duty plastic material here, it does look almost like it's kind of like a wrought iron kind of a look. And then your base is just going to go into this like this. And then this is the section that's going to get staked into your ground. And this is the part that's going to light up. And then I believe it's going to give those like little flower petals all the way around it. So I'm kind of curious if I were to cover this like solar panel up. Sometimes it comes with a little bit of charge, but it's not looking that way in this case. Oh, I see a little bit of a light going on, but nope. What I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to take it outdoors. I'm going to have to get it fully charged. And on a full charge, if I didn't mention already, it's going to last approximately anywhere between 8 and 12 hours, because it does need the sunlight here to charge it. And then in the evening time, when it comes rolling around, then hopefully they'll start glowing. So I can't wait to put these in my yard and show you all what they actually look like.